Well, friends, hello again. It's Victor with you, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I trade binary options on the PocketOption platform, and I want to inform you that in the description below this video, you'll find a link to my private Telegram channel where you can find a lot of interesting information, and it's new. So daily trading signals are published on Telegram. If you write to my personal account, you will get a link to sign up for PocketOption with a gift deposit 50%, as always, absolutely free as a nice bonus. So today I start overlooking with a deposit of $50. At the moment, I'm observing the situation. The price is falling rapidly, has now reached its level on the older time frame, and I expect a rebound and go into the purchase at 100%. Why is the company's revenue falling and what to do about it? They didn't touch anyone, and when they looked at the reports and saw the revenue is dropping from the month to month, what to do about it? Where to run and who should I call? Put aside the panic, the article analyzed the reasons for the drop in revenue and what to do if the company's turnover decreases. What is the reason for the decline in the company's revenue? So the first thing to do if revenue is declining is to check if this is due to seasonality. Just look at the financial data for the same period last year. If there is also a decline, then we're talking about seasonal decline. In this case, no measures need to be taken. If this is not a seasonal decline, when the reasons can be divided into two groups: external, not related to the internal process of the company, and internal, arising as a result of business failures. And meanwhile, the deal brought me $92. Nice start. So the price will go higher, so I go into the purchase at 100%. External causes. External causes are circumstances that you cannot influence. For example, a crisis. It can only cover the country where you do business or the whole world. During periods of crisis, unemployment increases, the level of income falls, and after it, purchasing power. As a result, people are looking for alternatives or temporarily refuse to buy goods and services that are not essential. New players. The decline in the company's turnover may be due to the emergence of new competitors. Perhaps they began to sell similar goods or services cheaper or offer more attractive terms at the same price. Exchange rate. If you work with foreign suppliers and the exchange rate is constantly changing, you may see a drop in revenue after the growth of the dollar or euro. Also, external causes can include a pandemic, military actions, or natural disasters. So what to do about external causes? The bad news is that an entrepreneur often cannot influence external causes, especially when it comes to small or medium-sized businesses, and not huge holdings and state-owned companies. And the profit from this transaction is plus $169.28. So I guess the price will continue to grow and I go into the purchase at 100%. Of course, the company needs to continue working but adjust for circumstances. Arrange promotions. Excess profits in such periods are rarely discussed, wherefore, to attract buyers, you can arrange promotions and sales. This will help to stir up customers a little and cover at least the basic needs of the business. Switch to other products and services. Think about whether you can offer something people need right now. and sell at cost price or with a minimum margin. Yes, we're not crazy. Sell products with a minimum margin or even at cost price to earn a reputation. The crisis will pass, but good relations with customers will remain. Be prepared that the period various external factors affect the company's revenue. You will have to tighten your belts, spend less on entertainment and bonds, withdraw dividends less often, and even perhaps reduce employee benefits. Good news, the drop in revenue due to external factors is always temporary. You just need to survive. So the deal closed at plus $311.48. I like it. So the level doesn't allow us to go lower, but that's good. I go into the purchase at 100%. Internal reasons. Let's say everything is stable in the world, but revenue is still falling. When it's worth analyzing your business for internal reasons. The quality of goods or services has decreased. Most often, this happens when a company tries to reduce the cost of production and finds cheaper suppliers, contractors, partners, and so on. The price has increased. A rare entrepreneur doesn't want to earn more, and the easiest way to achieve this is to raise prices for end customers. Perhaps the price increase has alienated customers. They simply do not see the designed value in the product or service. There have been changes in marketing. This may be a reduction in the advertising budget, replacement of advertising channels, or a banal change of employees. Sales volumes decreased. If the company began to produce or sell less, then a drop in revenue is an obvious consequence. Meanwhile, the deal brought me $573.12. So now that the price has been well bought off, I plan to turn around. Since they have to return to the level, I go and sell at 100%. At the same time, for each reason indicated above, there will be their own solutions. If the quality of services or goods has decreased, look at what caused it and take action. A new supplier supplies substandard raw materials, find another. Contractors frequently build houses, look for another team. If the reason lies in the price increase, create additional value for customers. You can improve the service, add some bonuses, launch a loyalty program. The task in this case is to justify the new price for the product in the eyes of the customer. Did you find that the change of advertising channels affected revenue? So conduct an analysis and decide how promising the selected options are in general and abandon those that do not bring customers. If the new channels were not connected, think about revising the advertising strategy. Perhaps the techniques used are outdated. Meanwhile, the profit from this transaction is plus $1,054.54. Great! So guys, for today I'm finishing with overlooking the deposit of $1,054.54 and I started only with $50. So guys, I thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like it, write your comments down below and make sure to subscribe to this channel because there is always only useful information and the most interesting analysis. So guys, that's all for today. I wish you only successful trading sessions and see you in the next one.